Guys, welcome to Ambar Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to remove your facial hairs naturally at home itself. Not only for the adults, this remedy is for children also. The small children who is above 3 years. If you are using this remedy regularly for 7 days, you can see 100% all your facial hair will remove easily. Guys, let's start our remedy without wasting our time. So for that, first here I have taken one clean bowl. In this I am going to add my first ingredient, which is wheat flour. Wheat flour, guys, there are a lot of benefits of wheat flour. Here we are going to get the benefit by using this wheat flour. By regenerating of skin cells, it will works wonder for the skin whitening and as well as for lighten your dark spots, especially for your facial hairs also. So here I have taken 1 spoon of wheat flour. If you want to use for full body, you can take according to your requirement. You can take the wheat flour as much as you require. So my second ingredient here I am going to use is besan, which is known as gram flour. It is having alkalizing properties which will keep the pH level of your skin balance. It also very absorbent and soak up all the extracts oil from your skin, and also it is easy to remove your facial hairs also. Not only it's new remedy, guys, from the ancient days to till now, gram flour is the main ingredient for the face pack for facial hair removal. For all those things they are using only gram flour for making a face mask. Is here the main ingredient, which is wild turmeric. It is not now, from the ancient centuries. Wild turmeric is highly effective in lightening and removal of facial hair. Is the best for the facial hairs. It is having anti-inflammatory properties, in antibacterial properties, which will help to remove the facial hairs easily. So mix all these 3 ingredients well. Now take another bowl. So now what I am going to do, I am going to make water mixture. This I am going to take 1 spoon of sugar. Sugar will be for removing the facial hairs, for making the vaccine. In many remedies, sugar is used for removing the facial hairs and as well as for vaccine also. It is good for removing short facial hairs and shaping your eyebrows also. It will stick on your skin and it will remove easily. So here I am not going to use the raw sugar in it. Here I have taken 1 spoon of sugar. In that, here I am going to add 2 spoon of water, not more than that, because we want little thick consistency of this mixture. Because let it be dissolve the sugar completely in the water. Till that time, keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes. If not, you can dissolve by using the spoon. If you are rotating, then you can see your sugar will dissolve easily. See guys, how I am doing, you have to do it like that, and then leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can see your sugar has been dissolved in water easily. Now add that water in that mixture which I had made with the gram flour, wheat flour and wild turmeric, as much as you require. Little, just don't put all together. Put little and mix the mixture so that you can mix the mixture easily without any lumps. And then you can see the consistency, it's not watery and not thick. Now you have to apply this pack on your face from the downwards to upward, and then you have to leave it for minimum 30 minutes. And then when you are removing, that is the main important thing, you have to rub and remove from your face, and you can see the result from the first time itself. It will be very useful for you.